Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
What's going on, guys? This video is going to be a little bit different. A lot of this stuff is filmed and pictures off of my iPhone. I'm just going to be doing kind of a commentary over a lot of this stuff, and it's going to be a lot more of a slideshow type of video. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing to the Foxbody. I don't really film too much stuff when I'm working on it, but I do like to get pictures and a little bit of videos so that way I can kind of document on how the car has come. So the car has come a long way. Yeah, we'll just start out the video like this.
See, that's solid. That's good.
All right, got the doors off. We didn't think we were gonna have to fix much rust under the doors, but that's why we took them off, just to double check. And well, good thing we did that, because there is rust there. We made a couple pieces, so weld them in, and we should be good. Alright, so first things first, after I started doing some of the body work, I wanted to work on the engine. So I had the engine pulled whenever I started doing the cage and all of that, and cut the front end off. So basically I just rebuilding the engine, doing a typical ball honing, re-ring, new bearings, put a new cam in there. I believe it's a trick flow stage 1 cam. Lap the valves and the heads and new valve springs, and there we go. Painted the motor and it's ready. So before I'm gonna drop the motor into the engine bay, I wanted to get all of the underneath the car done, because I wanted to paint the engine bay as well. Get that all prepped and ready to go. So basically got that all stripped down and just prepping it for paint. Essentially just all I did was satin black, and then I also capped off where the cage comes through to the front end, and also painted the underneath the fender areas and got that all ready, so that way whenever I drop the motor in, I don't have to do much work other than just drop the motor and trans in. So the engine's all rebuilt. Just married the engine with the transmission. Still using the stock AOD for now until I upgrade later on. Got that in there, and got the brake lines all done. And now we're back to doing some more body work. So basically I'm just gonna be priming the car. For today, we're gonna finally see some color on the car. Gonna do my green that I don't know if I told you guys what I'm doing, but we're doing, it's called Sublime Green. So the first step we gotta do before we block the whole car and do more body work before the final paint is we need to paint the door jambs. So we got the door jambs masked off. That way we can place the doors on the car, do more body work, mount the fenders and whatnot. Get the car in one piece. So we're gonna finally see some color on this car. Gonna actually see what the color looks like in person. So I'm really excited. Hopefully it looks good. If I don't like it, well, then we'll do a different color. But green is ultimately what I want to do. Mascot. Pins. These are kind of a pain. Okay. Hinges are on. Brand new. No more sloppy doors.
Matter almost at all. So that considers that there's way down and they're wasting sparks.
Whenever you're trying to line a door and we twist it so the body lines line up, this happens on the seam. Those welds aren't holding it down. Starting to come together. Next step is bumper and fenders. Woo! Let's get this thing put together. Gotta mock up some new bracketry for these fenders because I'm not really liking. I used to just 1/4-inch rod. I think I'm gonna cut that off and do something else. I bought some more 3/8 chromoly tubing, so I might use that. It'll probably be a little more stout. Get the bumper put on, and I'll show you guys the car finally looking like a car again. It's been a long time coming. Foxbody again. now we're prepping the bars so that we can paint some hammer tone on it. We're just wiping it down. We wiped it down with acetone or lacquer thinner and then Scotch Brights, getting it prepped up, and then we're gonna wipe it off again with lacquer thinner before we brush on the paint.
Otter, you being a little stuffed dog?
Helping out?
Otter's being a shop dog. Come here. Come here. Otter, can you sit pretty? Otter, you sit pretty? Oh, that's a good boy.
Reading internet comments and then writing.
Hi, Otter.
Wow.
Otter. Hi, shop dog.